You've just finished an intense workout, pushing your body to its limits. But your gains don't stop there. The key to unlocking maximum muscle growth lies in what you do after you leave the gym. Welcome to our ultimate guide on post-workout nutrition for muscle growth. In this video, we'll explore the best post-workout meals scientifically proven to enhance recovery, stimulate protein synthesis, and fuel your gains. First up, let's talk about the importance of post-workout nutrition. After a workout, your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients like a sponge, making it the perfect opportunity to refuel and repair. To kickstart muscle recovery, prioritize meals rich in high-quality protein, such as lean meats like chicken or turkey, along with plenty of colorful vegetables. Protein shakes are also an excellent option for quick and convenient post-workout nutrition, providing your muscles with the amino acids they need to grow and repair. Remember, variety is key. Experiment with different combinations of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to keep your meals exciting and your muscles fueled. For optimal gains, timing is crucial. Aim to consume your post-workout meal within 30 minutes to an hour after exercise to replenish glycogen stores and kickstart the recovery process. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is essential for nutrient transport and muscle function, so be sure to drink plenty throughout the day. So there you have it, the best post-workout meals for maximizing muscle growth. By fueling your body with the right nutrients at the right time, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crushing those workouts and fueling your gains. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness challenges and tips.